How to verify your Discord account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can verify our Discord account. So let's go further with the process without any delay. But before that, I would like you to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do so, head over to your account on your Discord. After that, you will be finding your account tab at the bottom right. Just go ahead and click on it, and after clicking on it, you'll be finding your account here. So at the top, you can find a settings icon, a gear icon at the top. You're going to tap in on your settings. After tapping on your settings, you're just going to go ahead and tap on the account section, which is on the second below Get Nitro. And after tapping on it, you're going to go ahead and verify your email first. So if you haven't provided an email address here on your Discord account, you're just going to go ahead and type in an email and verify your email here. So in order to do so, you just need to tap on send verification code. After that is done, you will be receiving a 6-digit code which you need to type in order to verify your account. After that is done, you may just directly head over to the Discord email address and type in an email asking them to verify your account. And after a few days, they should respond to your email address and then your account should be verified. So that is the process you may follow in order to verify your Discord account. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.